Hi, baby. What you want, huh? What do you want, huh? What do you want? Hey, what do you want, huh? What do you want, huh? Hi. Hi. Are you camera shy? You old alley cat? Huh? You want some catnip? Huh? You got that baby on your pet too? Huh? You want a snack? Let me get you a snack, huh? Want me to get you a snack, huh? No, you're not going to talk this morning. Well, be that way. Bye. Bye. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on. Where are you going? What? Where's my snack? Where's your snacks? What? Where's your snack? Hey, where's your snack? Right there? Okay. I got her snacks in this little thing here. Oh, I cleaned up a little bit. I got my plant stuff here. Hey, you want some of these? That's it, want some of these? Oh, the spill. Ah! Cheater! Here they go. Okay, I love you guys. You have a wonderful day. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. I love you. Always be honest and lift one another up. Bye for now.